How's it going, everybody? Thought I'd do a little tutorial today, a little trick that I learned on the internet, and apparently I'm way behind on times. Chrome cleaning, and I'm gonna show y'all some up close, that way you can see. Obviously this is a 20-year-old bike, so it's gonna have some scrapes and scuffs, and as you can see with all the chrome here, how it's got all this haze and bubbles and all this good shit. Well, I learned a neat little trick, works in seconds. It is aluminum foil and water, which I did this spot here. And again, this doesn't hurt your chrome. That's the reason why I was doing a close-up on some of the stuff I haven't done yet, because you can already see the scratches and stuff. The aluminum foil is softer than the chrome, so it doesn't hurt it. You can see the centerpiece, it did like a mirror finish. But I'm gonna get a little piece here and I will show y'all what I'm doing. And I mean, this whole bike, we just got it the other day. This whole bike, let's find another spot I have it done real quick. Looks like that. I still got a long way to go, obviously, but whole thing. I mean,